Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn about accounting software for Amazon sellers. First, there are several accounting software options made for Amazon sellers. Some of the best ones include QuickBooks Online, Xero, A2X, Fetcher, and Sellerboard. Now, QuickBooks Online is very popular because it easily connects with Amazon, tracks sales, expenses, and gives full financial reports. Then there's Xero, which is simple to use and works great if you want automatic bank feeds and easy inventory management. Next, A2X is made specifically for Amazon sellers. It pulls your Amazon sales data automatically and sends it straight into QuickBooks or Xero, making reconciliation super easy. After that, Fetcher helps track profit and loss in real time, showing you how much you're really making after all Amazon fees. Finally, Sellerboard is another good option if you want very detailed analytics on your profits, PPC costs, refunds, and inventory levels. Each of these tools makes it much easier to manage your Amazon business finances without spending hours every week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.